As you said that everything was feeded here, and before joining the course, ma'am, I was working for last 6 months. Before joining the course in my school, like I used to see some kids like who are very naughty. I used to think them that they have some they are over what they are like what they say
Hyperactive.
some issues. They have some issue. I thought that they have some issues, but now I came to know that uh, uh, they don't have any issues. That is normal. And some kids have some problems. Like they have now. I'm able to tell that they have speaking. They need speaking therapy. Nothing more than that. But before I used to think them that they have autism. So now I'm able to differentiate between this autism and learning disabilities. And also now I'm able when like now I'm confident that when parents ask me something about this fine motor skills, gross motor skills, I can confidently tell them that your kid has so and so problem, this is the solution for that. So I learned so much, ma'am. And my parents, my even my parents and my husband also started noticing some changes in me. They said that after joining the course you changed a lot, and now I'm telling my husband that no, you should not shout like that, you have to do like this. So they are also like good thing, nice thing you did joining this course. And I'm very thankful to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
As Jogita and others mentioned. And for the convenience of joining at home, this is very flexible. Even when we are traveling to any other place, it is very convenient for us to attend the class. Teaching field. I am new to the teaching field, so when I worked as a teacher for nursery, I was like, why the children are crying? How to introduce? How to teach this? How to teach that? But with all these classes which you taught, I came to know that introducing the concept before starting teaching, how important it is, and how to engage with the kids. Going to them means we have to behave as them so that they learn more from us. All these points were very helpful. How to treat all the children, how to treat the special children in the class. And as mentioned, even at home, I'm also telling my husband, don't shout. My teacher told we have to treat this situation like this with kids. We should not shout at them. Everything. I have seen lot of changes in myself as a parent and in future as a teacher. Also, all the art and craft activities, I was initially worried because I'm not good at them. I told you also in the call, I don't know how to do, will I be able to do it? But the instructions which you have given, the pictures which you have shared, all were very clear. And my kids, in summer vacation, the screen time has reduced for them. They are watching screens only for 1 hour or 2 hours. They are sitting with me completely and they are enjoying all the craft activities.
This is the best
I
part
was
I liked.
very yeah, I liked it very much. Thank you so much.
ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్. ఫస్ట్ నాకు సుమాజ్యోతి మేడం మిమ్మల్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసింది మేడం. ఆమె కూడా మీ పాస్ట్ స్టూడెంటే. తను చెప్పింది ఇలాగా సౌమ్య మేడం ఉన్నారు, తను బాగా చెప్తారు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు. కరోనా టైంలో తను మీ దగ్గర ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకుందంట. అయితే తను ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసింది. అసలు పీపీటీసీ అంటే అసలు ఎలా ఉంటది ఏంటి, ఎందుకు ఎందుకు నాకు అవసరమా అని నేను అనుకున్నా. నేను ఫస్ట్ మీకు నైట్ 11 o'clock ఫోన్ చేశాను నేను, మీకు గుర్తుందో లేదో మేడం. అది నాకు అసలు యూజ్ అవుతుందా లేదా, నేను తెలుగు టీచర్ గా చేస్తున్నా, నేను నాకు యూజ్ అవుతుందా లేదా అంటే మీరే ఎంకరేజ్ చేశారు. నేర్చుకోండి, మంచి యూజ్ అయ్యిద్ది అని అన్నారు. నేర్చుకుని ఫస్ట్ నాకు డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అసలు ఏంటి దీనివల్ల ఏంటి యూజ్ అయ్యిద్ది, నాకు ఏం యూజ్ అయ్యిద్ది అని అనుకున్నా. కానీ నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత, జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాను మేడం. చాలా నేర్చుకున్నా. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టాక్ అసలు నాకు అసలు ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడటం అనేది ఇన్నర్ గా నేను లోపల లోపల కొంచెం మాట్లాడుకుంటాను, కానీ బయటకు మాట్లాడాలంటే భయం వేసేది. అలాంటిది నా చేత ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టాక్ చెప్పించారు, పిక్చర్ టాక్ చెప్పించారు. ఫస్ట్ ఇంకా చైల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్, దాని గురించి అసలు ఐడియానే లేదు, అది కూడా నేర్పించారు. కరికులం అంటే అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నాకు కొంచెం ఐడియా ఉండేది, అది కూడా బాగా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు చెప్పారు. థీమ్ బేస్డ్ టీచింగ్ ఎలా చెప్పాలి అవి కూడా చెప్పారు. చేస్తుంది. పీపీటీసీ తర్వాత కవిత ఎలా టీచ్ చేస్తుంది అనేది మెయిన్ ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ లో నేను చూపించుకోగలుగుతాను. ఫస్ట్ ఈ టీచింగ్ ఫీల్డ్ అనేది ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ కాంపిటీషన్ అన్నమాట. వాళ్ళు ఎవరు బాగా చెప్తే వాళ్ళనే తీసేసుకుంటారు. మన దగ్గర ఎక్కువ ఎలా అంటే ఎక్కువ మనం అది మీరు చెప్పారు యాక్టివిటీస్ తోటి మనము పిల్లలకి చెప్పాలి. ఆ పిల్లల మైండ్ లోకి మనం వెళ్ళాలి. అది మనము ఎలా వెళ్ళాలి అనేది మీరు బాగా నేర్పించారు మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇంకా చాలా చెప్పాలని ఉంది కానీ నాకు మాటలు రావట్లేదు.
Really, I don't know what is the main things in main rules in PPT. How to explain the numbers and how to explain the letters briefly into child. I know now I don't know briefly. Just in this class I learn, ma'am. I really thanks to you. Understand very easily. Actually, mainly that ADH children and early childhood age children, how is it behavior, and some children's that topics are all are very useful to our school learning school, ma'am. And also I'm very interested, I'm very thankful to you, ma'am.
A very good evening to everyone. I can say special thanks to Soumya ma'am, because I don't know who is Soumya ma'am before, but one of my friends suggested me like this is a course you can do with the Soumya ma'am. She is very friendly. She can teach you all the things. Even I didn't feel like from the past 2 months I'm doing this course. I feel like within a 10 days I have finished this course, because the way she talked to us, she always treat us like a child. I feel like I am one of the child of Soumya ma'am. Because if we don't listen to the class, she scolds. She teaches like her kids. And one of the important thing is I'm very much satisfied learning at this institute, especially the way she teach, and she has explained many real life examples like which made us understand even more better. And experience here and the topics whatever she explained, really we can remember throughout our life, because she used to explain those all in such a way like for a small kindergarten kids how we explain the topics. She never think like as we all are 30 years above. She treated us like a kindergarten kids. Every day she sings the songs. Whenever she sing a song, right, I always remember my school days, like nursery and those old days. I used to remember those old days. Ma'am, it was very wonderful journey with you from the last 2 months. I never felt like during a single day. I was busy throughout the day because doing all the work. Days, I never spent my summer holidays such enjoyfully. Every time I used to go to somewhere places like those all, but this time I utilized my summer holidays very nicely. It was a very great like doing a journey with you. Like almost one of my friend Nutan has suggested your name. Without like if you don't suggest me, I could not meet you, because I don't know about the Spurti Pre-Primary Education Academy name. It was a very like I'm very happy